Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to hide apps on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, just open Settings, then tap on Home Screen. Now from here, just tap on Hide Apps on Home Screen and App Screen. Now to hide the apps, just select the apps which you want to hide. Just like that. Now once you select the apps which you want to hide, just tap on Done. Now once you do that, you will not find the apps on your home screen or in the app drawer. Now to view the hidden apps on your smartphone, just open Settings. Now from here, just tap on Apps. Now from here, just search for the app which we have hidden. Now just tap on Open. And this is how you can hide apps on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.